Hello everyone, I'm unboxing the new iMac M4. It is having 16 GB RAM, 256 GB hard drive. So here there's the specification. The price is 1,54,900, almost 1,55,000. This is other details. It's a blue color and this was very difficult to get. Mostly the models were not available. On the sides and the back, there's nothing much except some barcodes and other details. Here the specs. It says 10 core CPU, 10 core GPU, 16 GB unified memory, iMac with Apple M4 chip, 256 GB SSD, solid state drive, monitors. It is 24-inch 4.5K Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology. This is the Pixel 4480 cross 2520 pixels. You have 4 Thunderbolt ports. There is headphone jack, Wi-Fi. It is 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, 10,000P base T Ethernet is also there. There is a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and Magic Mouse. Pre-installed macOS. Size and weight is this 18 by 21.50 must be the dimensions inches. You have the same in centimeters. The weight is 4.44 kg. There is Energy Star rating. These are all the specifications. These are different details. There is a trademark information, some compliance related details. Let's see what's inside, the interesting part. The cover I have opened up, it comes with another cardboard box. And if you open it, you will see a monitor. Hello. Let me take it out because there are few components and I will take it out one by one, show you what it is. The first one is most important component, or the bigger component, is the monitor. Monitor comes with some neck covering. There is a sticker film here. If you open it, you see here the monitor. This also has the CPU. Monitor has, if you see here, this is the side profile, much thin, really a masterpiece in design. There is a stand. You can also turn it up and down, tilt it. This is fixed. This angle is fixed. You can tilt the monitor. And then there are 4 Thunderbolt port. This is a power button. And then in the bottom you have 6 speakers. If you are watching some multimedia movies, this will give great experience, immersive experience, because it's 6 speakers, surround sounds. Let me place it in the table. Next important thing, we have this keyboard. This is the keyboard, standard keyboard with touch ID. Then this is the power brick. This has to be connected on one side to the monitor. MCU or keyboard comes with this charger for charging cable for the keyboard and for mouse. We have the Magic Mouse. The Magic Mouse is again having the charging option in the bottom. This is a Thunderbolt charger, and this is the wire for charging it. And then you have this. Then use cable for power connector. Now this is a 16 ampere connector. You need to buy an adapter. I got this adapter. If you have a 16 ampere flat socket, then no problem. Otherwise, you would need to convert it, because in our standard 5 ampere ports or power sockets in our houses in India, this is what goes. Here it is much bigger one. This is for, sometimes it's there in some powerful devices like washing machines, etc. Again, power consumption is less. You can use this adapter safely. This is about your power. And then no little, just a small book. This is about, you would have seen it, something similar. It has some picture of monitors, power button, nothing, no text, not much text description. It just talks about using mouse and keyboard. Magic mouse and magic keyboards are already paired with your iMac. Just we need to turn on, slide the switch, that the green is visible, and that's it. This is no easy to set up. Almost no setup, zero setup it is. Heavy. That's all about this iMac. The pricing is 1,54,000, but it comes with a magic keyboard, magic mouse, which is also expensive devices. Is a good option for a laptop. Alternative, if you have a laptop, if you want to have a very nice setup for working at your dock, then you can use this. The monitor is really very good. I'll show you once I will switch on this in a next video, so that you will see the clarity in how productive it could be. I have iMac for my home workstation, and then I'm using my MacBook for travel and wherever I want to take it. This combination is really good. I'll share more details in the coming videos. Hope this video shows you all the details that you were looking for your iMac. If you have any queries regarding any specification, you can leave a comment and subscribe to my channel Dev Skills. There I show various productivity hacks for software engineers. Also, I cover topics for interview preparations and technical topics to upgrade yourself and have a successful career. Thank you. See you in the next video.